So here's a quick look at using the Node-RED automation platform with the Cisco APIC API. So I'm going to start out showing you how you would build a flow that would use the APIC API to execute some functions. What I've created is a APIC node in Node-RED. I'm going to drag the node here, and I'm going to set up, first of all, I've got to log in with the APIC API. So I open this up. I can point myself at different APIC controllers. I'm going to use the sandbox here. I want to log in as admin, enter the credentials for admin, and add that. And what I need to do first is log in. So choose the login operation. So I'm going to do a login here. Once I do a login, let's do another APIC, couple more APIC functions. So I would drag another APIC node. It's going to use the same credentials. And let's say that I want to get a list of my devices. I'd choose that, click OK, and with Node-RED I have the option of saying, look, after you log in, then I want you to go and do this get device list. And as you saw here, right now there's a series of different APIC API calls that you can make, some basic gets. So the way the Node-RED works is this is what happens if the login succeeds. If the login fails, I can make that go off to another location. So anyway, what I've got, that's the basics of using the APIC API. I'm going to go over here to what I call the class flow from one of the Cisco classes and run a full flow that I put together here. This flow is going to run at start time when I deploy it. It's going to log in, get a list of the users, send the output of the users to this message flow, then get the device count, send that also to the message flow, then get the device list, and then log out. And if any of these nodes has an error, this catch-all down here is going to catch any errors that are thrown from the nodes and send all this output. And this is all going to go to the debug window. So if I deploy this and everything's all set, we should see all of this running, and you should see these little statuses updating as each call is made. So here we go. Do the deploy. Connecting, gathering, see these updating, and over on the right we're seeing in JSON format the output. That could go to a web page, it could go to a database, the output. That's all part of the Node-RED flow that you can set up.